In the next 30 seconds, I'm going to explain to you 3 exercises that can help improve your neck pain today. Exercise number 1 is a neck curl. Exercise number 2 is a side lying neck flexion. And exercise number 3 is a neck retraction exercise. For the first exercise, we're gonna start laying on the ground. Slowly come down to a comfortable position. When you're down here, what we're gonna do first is exercise number 1, the neck curl. You're gonna take a finger and put it on your chin, and you're gonna tuck your chin. Keeping your chin tucked, you're gonna slowly lift it up off the ground. Now, slowly come back down. Once you get the hang of this, you can do this without a finger. Slowly curling up and down. Exercise number 2 is a side lying neck flexion. You're gonna start on your side. You could be on your bed, couch, or on a mat on the ground. Laying on your side, you're gonna slowly just gently rest your head to start. Then from here, you can imagine you have a string attached to your ear, and it's gonna slowly pull up your head. And then you're gonna slowly come back down. When you do this, make sure this chin stays nice and tucked in when you slowly come up, and then you slowly come back down. Once you get the hang of it, you can try to get that ear to your shoulder, and then slowly come back down. Make sure you do this on both sides. Exercise number 3 is a neck retraction exercise. For this exercise, you're gonna start laying on your stomach. Laying on your stomach, put your hands right in front of you and place your forehead on your hands. From here, tuck your chin and then slowly lift your head off the ground and relax. Keep the chin tucked, retract the neck, and then relax. As you saw in these 3 neck exercises, they go through your flexion, retraction, and side flexion. And all of these movements help to engage those neck muscles to help support your neck. If you are in neck pain because your neck is weak, because your neck is tight, and you just don't have that range anymore, these exercises can help engage those muscles again, work on your range and improve those ranges of your neck, so then you can decrease your neck pain. If you found this video helpful, check out my neck video to improve your neck range of motion. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 neck exercises to help improve your neck pain today. Exercise number 1 is a neck curl. Exercise number 2 is a side lying neck flexion exercise, and exercise number 3 is a neck retraction exercise. After the exercises, I'm also going to go over your neck pain and how you can continue to improve it for the future.